Sky Rover are definitely making waves in the drone world. This is the Sky Rover X1 bundle. Love that bright yellow design of the drone. The bundle is going to come with a bag, batteries, and a controller. So I'm keen to see how this all comes packaged. Just got to move this past the camera. Just give me a second. Okay, and here is this part of the box. So it's just one of those little strip stickers. And then let's have a look. Okay, so quite a standard colored bag. Their other drone had a very bright bag, but this looks a little bit more professional, premium. So that's the bag. Looks quite similar to other bags we've seen in the past. Quite a nice shoulder bag. Obviously you got the strap at the back there. And so when we open this up, here we go. So the accessories as always. And let's jump straight into the drone, I think. That's the, oh, that bright yellow. Look at that. Oh, I love that. Company's having fun with colors. Absolutely love that. That is a nice yellowy orange almost. Mustard yellow? I don't know what you'd call that. There you go. So I can see some obstacle avoidance sensors, little battery indicator. Just remove these stickers. We can see there is a USB-C and a micro SD slot. If we remove the gimbal cover, got a few pieces we just need to remove here. A few little stickers all over the place. Just get these off so you can see everything. Alright, so there we go. So that's that gorgeous camera system on the front. Doesn't give us any details of what the camera system is, but I can see that it looks like a very nice camera system. Quite nice. So we've got omnidirectional obstacle avoidance by the looks of it. Got 2 obstacle avoidance sensors, 2 obstacle avoidance sensors, and then 2 obstacle avoidance sensors. Really nice grey and yellow offset that really pops. Quite the fan of that. So let's just open it up, have a look at its footprint. We'll move everything out of the way. So that is what you can expect from the drone. That's its footprint right there. Really, really clean design. That's what it looks like upside down. So again, quite a unique color palette here. Nice two-tone design. So that's the drone. Let's have a look at the accessories now. So now we've got the controller. Okay, I like that. That color matches up. Yeah, that matches up nicely with the base there. Would have been very interesting if they went with a bright yellow controller. That would have been kind of cool. But no, we got this more professional looking controller, which looks quite clean. Normal, cine, and sports mode. You've got all the usual culprits here, all the usual buttons you're used to. Removable thumbsticks, USB-C. This is the loading section up here for the phone. We've got a record button and also a little scroll wheel as well. So that's the controller. This is the charging hub. So it looks like they've gone with a two-tone design here. So bright yellow batteries. How cool is that? That's so unique to what we've seen in the past. Very bright. Like, look at that offset. Yellow and grey. Just pops. Very, very cool. There we go. So that's the charging hub. Again, very standard to what we've seen in the past. Power battery, power button, USB-C, and then the little light indicators here. So that's all pretty standard. And then in here, this is where we get all of those accessories that we're used to with most drones, really, at this point. So we've got some paperwork. Just lost a screwdriver. Cable, lightning cable to USB-C here, if it's going to focus for us. Hello. There we go. Lightning to USB-C. USB-C to USB-C. Some spare propellers. And then the screwdriver, which is a different color altogether. It's more of an orange. So that's everything in the bag. That's everything we got. These are always the main pieces. Obviously the accessories are nice to have, but this is what you're really looking for. And the bundle gives you the extra batteries. You get the drone, you get the nice controller. And this is looking like it's going to be an impressive drone. Just the build quality of that's very nice. The color, super unique. Like people just wouldn't expect that. They wouldn't be seeing drones with this kind of color. So there we go. That's what you can expect from Sky Rover's drone. And yeah, can't wait to see how this all performs.